Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Monday, October 24th, pre-markets, and I just want to do some analysis here. We are looking at NASDAQ futures on the 4-hour time frame, and and little has changed since last night. As you see here, I'm paying focus to the MACD right here at the center part of your screen, and it is still trending upwards relative to the uh, signal line, the green signal line. That is most definitely bullish. As you see there, they're going parallel, the MACD line and the signal line are going parallel. But as I discussed last night in my Sunday review, look at that. Look at that upwards, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And as you see here, this is the, let me straighten this out, that's the zero line. That is firmly, as of right now, as of today, on the 4-hour time frame, that is firmly above zero and firmly in the positive. So it is bullish. I'm going to show you some other, um, let's look at the hourly. Okay, so it is currently on a what is let's show this here. There. That's okay because this is just a typical pullback. Not even half of the retracement. Okay, so if this is the bottom and that's the top, that's not even half. That's just a standard pullback consolidation, and then it's going to pop higher. Okay, so uh, this is still in a bullish pattern simply because this here, let's flatten this out right here. This level is firmly still in the positive right there. Horizontal, this horizontal, it's at what, 50, 53-ish? That's well above zero on the hourly. Okay, so let's also go into the 5-minute time frame. Okay, see that? The Once again, that higher lows, and it is still above zero. We are going to pop higher today. I don't think this is going to be a situation where it's a one-day wonder, uh, huge rally on Friday, last Friday, as you know, and then gap and crap Monday. I don't think so. Let me also show you. Um, this is here. Let me get the screens. Aha. Let me rearrange some things the way I like to see it. This is my trading platform um, that I use during the day, and I'm particular on how. Here we go. Okay, I want to call your attention to, look below. This is the 1 minute on the left, 1 minute. This is the 5 minute, center left, down here, 30-minute, 65-minute. Okay, on the 65-minute time frame, look at this area right here. This is the MACD. That is, another representation of what you saw a moment ago on Yahoo Finance. It is firmly in the positive. Look at that. It is up. It's up there. I basically use the 30-minute and 65-minute time frames to really give me an idea of the foundation of the rally, right? Not the minute by minute, but do you have a strong foundation? Do you have legs in this rally? And so that's why I look at the 30 and the 65-minute time frame simultaneously all the time. Okay. The 30-minute shows a slight more downward pullback, but that's typical. After you have a large run, slight pullback, but then rise again. Okay, so the MACD indicator, and also I'm looking down here. Let's look at the RSI indicators down at the very, very bottom of the 30-minute. It's very high, very strong. Okay, it's still making um, higher lows up here. But what I think is going to happen at opening bell here in just about 15 minutes, it's going to continue. It's going to complete the pullback on the 30-minute time frame. It's going to complete the pullback and then it's going to go higher. Um, Look at the 65-minute RSI. Since Friday, you see it's going up, 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 and stayed up, comes back down, goes up, and it's now hovering or consolidating the RSI right at the 70 line, right there. It wants to go higher. Another key indicator I look for why I make these decisions is look at the red line here. The red line represents this is the exponential moving average EMA 50. Okay, on all time frames 65, 30, and the 5. Um, the price action is firmly above the red line. That is critical. Okay, most specifically, I look at the 5-minute time frame to make my decisions. Notice how notice how once price action on the 5-minute here goes above the red line, and here's the back test. There are no closing candles below the red line as of yet. That means continuation. Okay, I'll do some more videos on the actual trades that I placed today to show you to demonstrate that. But for now, I'm just mentioning that the 5-minute time frame is essential, critical in making actual trade decisions. Okay, as you see here, let's jump on over to the 30-minute time frame right here. Firmly, firmly, firmly above its 50 EMA red line. Firmly. What it's actually going to do, it's actually heading towards this resistance line. You see that? You see the wicks here? You see that wick? It got rejected. Wick got rejected, pull back, and now it's going to try again today. Once again, you see the resistance line up here. It's going to try today. I think it's going to get it. Honestly, it's got a lot of momentum right now, based on the indicators I'm looking at. Finally, let me show you this last view of the same thing. This is TQQQ, by the way. I'm sorry for not mentioning that. This is the one I like to trade over QQQ and even over SPY, simply because this has the most volatility. And I encourage you to check it out during the day. TQQQ, big gains, but it could also go down big too. So it has a higher beta. That's why I trade options against TQQQ over QQQ and over SPY and over the vast majority of other securities. Okay, so anyways, this is the 195 minute. I chose 195 because that fits exactly within a 6.5 hour day. That is exactly a half day. That's why it's a 195-minute time frame. But as you see here, this was on Friday. Okay, it was just a powerful rally that not only smashed through the red line, the 50 EMA, but it didn't even bother back testing. That's how strong that is. Okay, but look how where it was going. It was going straight to this resistance line. Okay, and it got rejected. It actually poked through it on Friday. This morning. I'm sorry, not on Friday. This was Friday at the end of trading day. It actually poked its head through it this morning, but got rejected. So what it's going to do now, it's just going to pull back, and then it's going to try again today. I like I said, let's see. I think it's going to get it, and if it does, the rally is going to continue. Okay. I also look at this is I'm switching over to the 130-minute time frame. Once again, went up this morning. As of right now, got rejected. It's pulling back. It's going to try again. So that's what I've got for you this morning. And as I'm placing trades, I will do a video on how I place that trade, the decision uh, factors that went into placing that trade. But what I mentioned earlier, the key is absolutely the 5-minute time frame. That is what I use to place a trade, whether I think it's going to go up or down ultimately. But there's plenty of examples where I'll be able to show that. Okay, that's all I've got for now. Thanks.